Hello my beautiful lover, greetings everyone. Today we are making delicious and soft bread, guys. So guys, if today is the first time coming across my channel, do me well by subscribing to my channel, guys. So here we go. We have warm milk here. This milk is very warm, guys. We pour it inside the pan. So after that we have our yeast. This is one of it contain 1 teaspoon. So guys, we are going to use the 2 sachets. So after adding it, you mix it together. So I'm done mixing it. Here we have egg. This is egg. We are making use of that egg. So we pour it inside. Here we have sugar. This is sugar. We add it. So we also have salt. So we added salt. So this is how you can mix it. So we have to mix it together. So I'm done mixing it, guys. We have butter. This is butter. I melted the butter so that it will be easy for me to use. I add it. Mix it together. So after mixing it, here is our flour. So this is 1 kg and half. So we add it. So we mix it. Share this video, guys. So I will remove this one inside. I will add this flour. I turn it with this stick. You mix it like this. Let them marry themselves very well. So guys, let me turn it. I'll be back after mixing it. I'm done mixing it. So you can see it. I'm done mixing it. I'm going to keep it for in one place for 45 minutes. I'll cover it. So after 45 minutes, I will be back. So guys, it's ready. You can take a look. Take a look at our dough, guys. So we'll put it here. Let me use that to remove it. Can you see that? So I'm going to be using my hand to roll it, guys. I'm going to be using my hand to roll it like this. I will roll it like this. See it, guys. This is how I will do it. So I'm coming back, guys. Let me roll it. So this is how I roll it, as you can see. I use my hand to roll it like this. Do it like this. After doing it, you bring it together from here. You bring it together, do it like this, and roll it like this. It's ready. So guys, you can see I'm done rolling it, guys. So I will cover it for 45 minutes again. I will cover it for 45 minutes. So guys, we'll be back to check it later. 45 minutes and we'll be back. Okay guys, so it's time for us to put it for oven. So you can see the difference. So I will use oil to rub it before keeping it for oven, before baking it, guys. This is how I will use oil to rub it. So let me rub it with oil. I'll come back. I'm done putting oil. I'm going to break it for oven. See you later. Okay, guys. Our bread is ready. As you can see, it's ready, guys. This bread is done. It's almost burnt. It's almost burnt. Take a look. I hope it comes over. See back. Let's open it. It's very hot. See inside. See inside. Share this video, guys. Share this video. This is how to make your bread.